there everyone, my name is Susan Timchak. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'd like to welcome you here. I have a little unboxing to do. I have my latest order from the current, oh, my mind is going blank, I can't even think. The current mini catalog, the Occasions catalog. So I thought I would do an unboxing to share it with you what I got. I don't even really remember. I mean, unfortunately, it takes a little while, about a week, to get items from Stampin' Up! Here to Pennsylvania. But I kind of wanted to show you the box. I know it's a little close-up, but it's our 30th anniversary, and Stampin' Up! Has special boxes to celebrate that. So isn't that fun? I saw some friends over in the UK. They actually had tape on theirs that was a 30th anniversary tape. And I thought, oh, that was so cool. I didn't get that. Maybe we don't have that in the States. But we do have the boxes. So let's get rid of all of these things here. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first off in the box, ooh, I'm blocking my lights, is re-inkers. And this is my Rich Razzleberry ink. I was doing a video, Aurora. I was doing, she's itching her ear and she's making little moans, and here comes Dory. I was doing a video the other day and demonstrating with the Rich Razzleberry ink. I believe it was my Paper Pumpkin, because I think this was the color that came in it. And I went to re-ink my ink pad, and I used the last of that. So I would always recommend, when you purchase an ink pad from Stampin' Up!, to always get the refill, so then you're ready. Unfortunately, when it runs out, you know, then you have that problem. But it's good to keep inventory as to what you have and how, you know, how things are going and how things are, you know, if they're running out or not. So first off here is this waterfront stamp set. This was one I really just overlooked in the catalog, and I've been seeing such fabulous things that everybody's been doing with it. So, okay, I am late to the party, but I'm back in the game now. Loving this, loving the little images that you can do from the beach to the winter to all the year round. The sayings, every little kindness makes the world brighter. Love never gives up. There's friend, thanks. Friends make good times better and the hard times easier. I love that. I love this little house. It almost reminds me like a little beach house. So that's so cute. Oh, and it's a photopolymer stamp set. And I don't know about you, but now I'm looking at this. I'm seeing a pile of poo. I don't know, poo seems to be everywhere. Although they say it's like ice cream, so maybe it can be frosting on the top of a cupcake. Whatever you see, you see. You know, like those pictures that they show you, like, ooh, look at this, what do you see? Well, that's what I saw. Next up, I have a Hostess stamp set. This one is called Background Bites. And isn't this pretty? This is available only if you have a $150 order or more. You may choose to purchase this at a really reduced price as part of your Hostess gifts. So I did get this one, and if you love this, you can get one by hosting an upcoming event, or you may see this in an upcoming giveaway. So you'll want to be sure to subscribe to my Facebook channel at Stampin' Sue Creates, along with my blog, stampinsuecreates.blogspot.com, and also head on over to my online store at stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net, and keep your eyes out. Now this was another one. I didn't need it. No, I didn't need it. But when I saw things done with this, and sorry about the little glare from my light. Love this little mermaid. Love the unicorn. I mean, the dragon, yes. The wizard, the little soldier. Look at the little flame. I love this saying, hope your day is magical. We all need a little magic in our life. Look at that little seahorse. You are one of a kind. And I believe I did not purchase the framelits that go with this. I have a Brother Scan and Cut, And I wanted to give a try at using that with stamping the images, and I did get the corresponding paper, so we'll check that out too. Envelopes. Enough said. Can never have enough of these. I should have ordered 2. Okay. Next, here's another host set, and this one is already taken from. I did a Facebook Live on Sunday, on Super Bowl Sunday, and Cecilia was the winner of this, so she's going to be coming to class on Friday, so I'll have this all packaged up for her. This is called Cozy Cottage. It's a host-only stamp set. Oh, it's beautiful. The size of the stamp is so nice. Look at this little stone wall. Home is where I'm with you. A journey is better with a friend. Welcome. I love these little chairs, the flowers. It's a red rubber stamp set. And I mean, that little cottage is pretty large. I mean, it's a pretty large stamp. And I know that her husband loves to color, so he's going to be in his glory. I know Cecilia doesn't like to cut, but she won't have to cut this one, so she'll love that. I know she will. Okay, next up is the freebie gifts for those that placed an order in January with me. I am giving away these. You had to have an order of $50 or more. I have to include that. These are striped treat bags. You get 10 bags. And all the lucky people that placed an order with me in January of $50 or more not only got a free celebration set, they are also getting from me a free pack of these envelopes. So I'm going to be packaging them and getting them out to them in the mail this week. So that's exciting. Okay, what else do we have? This is a free celebration item. This is called Tutti Frutti Cards and Envelopes. Let me get rid of this box so we can take a look at this. Heads up, kids. Meaning my fur babies. Okay, let's take a look at these. And what do you get in here? You get 32 cards and envelopes. These are all ready to do some stamping with. Look at the beautiful envelopes. Let's just take them out. Can't look at them like that. Look at how stunning these are. Let's just take a little fan here. Look at the colors. Look at these envelopes. Oh, do you not love them? They correspond with the Tutti Frutti stamp set and all the accessories that are in the occasion catalog. And here's the inside. Look at the inside of these envelopes. I mean, Stampin' Up! Has really, really done a fabulous time with these. These are just the envelopes. Here are the cards. Look at all ready for you. All scored. The front of them is all corresponding with the flap of the envelope. I mean, who does not need these in their life? And you know what? The best part, here's the back side. They're all white. Best part is they are absolutely FREE free with a $50 purchase or more. And you can choose, if you put a $100 order in now through the end of March, you can choose 2 if it's $100. I mean, there's other things to choose from. If you don't have a current demonstrator you're working with and you'd like to receive the celebration along with the occasions and even the annual catalog, be sure to let me know. I have them here and ready to ship out, and you'll get it ASAP. I always want to make sure I have catalogs on hand for anyone that needs them, because like I said, shipping from Utah to here is a week, and we're really busy. Tomorrow we are having this fabulous Fast Fuse, and this one needs to be replaced, Fast Fuse sale. So tomorrow is what? Tomorrow is the 8th. So it runs from the 8th Thursday through 12th on Monday. And if you purchase one Fast Fuse, which it comes with a roller inside, it comes with a tape dispenser and the tape, you will get 2 refills for free. I mean, Stampin' Up! Ran this promotion once before. It just flew out of the internet. And it happened so fast that you couldn't even blink your eyes and it was gone. So this will start tomorrow. So be sure to head on over to stampinsucreates.stampinup.net and place your order for a fast fuse. And you will receive 2 refills for free. I mean, stock up. Now's the time. Stock up. You know you're going to be crafting. So why not take advantage of the special? So there's another thing. Okay, last in my package. Look how stunning, cute. And let me just go ahead and show you. This is the Myths and Magic Specialty Designer Series paper. The colors which Stampin' Up! Provides for us on the back of this piece of heavyweight paper is Basic Gray, Bermuda Bay, Berry Burst, Dapper Denim, Fresh Fig, Lemon Lime Twist, Melon Mambo, Old Olive, Pool Party, Powder Pink, Tangerine Tango, Tranquil Tide, and Whisper White. And can you see, is the camera picking this up? These little mermaid bodies, they have like glittery bodies. And look at, they're like shiny. So I'm going to try my scan and cut to cut out all these little mermaids. I have some fun ideas that I want to do with them. You get 2 sheets. But the best thing is, if you're not a mermaid fan, flip it over. And look, you get this on the other side. So how fun is that? Okay, here is the next one. Just make some room over here on my desk. Look at this. This, again, has glittery stars. I don't know if that's picking it up. Not too well. But if that's not your game, let's flip it over. And we have stunning clouds. How cool is that? Next up, look at these knights and dragons. And again, we have shiny, glittery dragons and also the little knight bodies. And I'm going to attempt to use, again, my scan and cut to cut these out. And look at the castles. And if that's not your game, here we go. These little fleur-de-lis. Cute, isn't it? Look at how they go so well together. Next up, wizards. And whatever these other little... If anybody knows what these little guys are called, these other little guys, I know wizards. And these too, these are glittery, shiny little guys. This will make perfect background paper. And again, flip it over. There's all kind of little trees, so it's like the little forest, the little guys. Oh, love this. And for all of you unicorn lovers, like, hello, unicorns. Look at how cute these are. Again, glittery, shiny unicorns. And flipping it over, and there we just have a little pattern with a Dapper Denim color. Look how cute they all go together. Cute. Stampin' Up! Does a wonderful job with that. And look at this paper. It's like little bubbles, and again, shimmery, shiny. This will be perfect for those little mermaids. And this all goes together. Let me get it off my pile here. This all goes together with this Magical Day stamp set. And there are framelits to go with it. And if you purchase the framelits and stamp set together, you can save 10%. So, I mean, you have to get this. And if the bubbles aren't your thing, here we go. It's a Melon Mambo background paper. So cute. And I just can't wait to get started with all of these new fun goodies that I got in my most recent order. So, there we have it. Thank you so much for joining me. If there's anything here you wish to order, or if there's anything I can help you with, be sure to drop me a line at stampinsucreates@gmail.com. Or you can just head right over right now. Hurry up. Don't stop. Don't run. Don't fall. But hurry up over to my online store at stampinsucreates.stampinup.net to place your order. And let me know if you need a catalog or two. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a super Stampin' night, and I'll see you all back here again real soon. Bye for now.